this video, I'm going to be showing you two tools to generate an email signature for you really quickly. One of them is a free tool that will probably help most of you get what you're looking for in terms of a custom signature. And the other one is a paid tool, which isn't super expensive, but has a couple features that might be a little bit more what you're looking for. So both of these tools are linked down below. Neither of them are sponsored. They're just meant to help you. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. First one is a tool from Hubspot, and they give you about 5 or 6 different templates that you can see here on the left. And so they all kind of include an image and some social icons, a call to action, and then all your contact information, of course. So once you're good with the one that you want, you just kind of click on it. And I don't have a picture, that's why it's not showing up here. And then you can drop in all your information. And there's a few things that I haven't included in here, but there are there as features if you're interested, like the social links. Then they also have a custom field option, so if you need to add your name pronunciation or maybe a custom link or store hours or whatever, I think they include some examples of what that might be. But the point is you can add that if they still don't have everything you're looking for in the fields above. And you can actually change all the colors, which is nice that they give you that for free. And so if you jump in here, you get access to just the normal color palette, and you can change this and see it updating there on the right as I do that. And I'm just gonna set it back to our brand. But you can change that. You don't get tons of options with the font, and that's just because you don't have a lot of font options when you're generating styles for an email, because most computers only have a certain amount of fonts that they all have and integrate with each other, if that makes sense. So you can't have something super custom. That's why there's only a few selections, and then you can change the size. Now, if you do want to add a picture, and this is the reason I haven't done it, is it's a little quirky because you can't just click and upload. You actually have to upload to Dropbox or Google Drive and then paste in the link. Now, if you're using Google Drive, I do actually have another little link I'll put down in the description that will show you how to get the actual linkable file for your image. Usually when you get a link on Google Drive, it's just giving you the share link, which means that's what you can give to a friend to view, but that's not actually going to work when you paste that in here in a tool like this. So if you're using Google Drive or you want to do that, check out that link below. That's pretty helpful. And the same goes for the company logo here on the left. And then this is where you can add your call to action. So it's really nice that they give you that option to add a call to action, and everything that you see here, it's kind of what you see is what you get. They're not, blocking off certain parts of the app. Everything is available for free. And then when you're ready to go, just hit create signature, and you can either just copy the signature directly, or you can actually copy the source code, which is really nice for if your email client only allows you to put in custom code or whatever the case may be. And you can copy that. There's not tons of watermarking or branding, if any, actually, which is really nice. So that is probably what is going to help most people. But if you are looking for some more features, then you can stick around for this tool, which is called YStamp. Now, YStamp also has some free options available. I think the free options in HubSpot are a little easier to use, or they give you some more features. So you can use this if you want, but if you're looking for some more tools, and specifically some more templates, that's really where this tool differentiates itself. So if you go to templates, you'll see there's a couple more options. They give support for some more styles, like a big image or just different colors and stuff like that, and just more elements. But what I found to be the most helpful is this app section. This allows you to give what they call a styled sign-off, so you can actually add a signature. You could put social buttons, and as I hover over it, you can kind of preview it. You can put a disclaimer there for confidentiality notice, whatever it might be. But you can see there's quite a lot of options here, and you can actually upload your sign-off here, and you can even animate it if you've got the Pro subscription. And I don't know how to get out of this. There we go. And you can just add a ton of stuff here. So especially if you're updating this every month or every few weeks, stuff like this sales event is really helpful to have. If you only have an exclusive offer for a couple of days, you could jump in there and just kind of add that into all of your emails. And so It's not super expensive. I believe it's $5 or $6 a month, and they seem to have some sort of sale on right now. Again, not a sponsor, but those are the options available to you. And then same thing as when you're ready to go, you can just export that and you can get that added into your email address. So those are most of the options that, or really the best options I was able to find for creating an email signature really fast. You don't have to know any code, and you don't have to spend a ton of money, if at all, if you don't want to. I've played around with other editors. I've even tried making my own with like TextEdit, or even putting it in my email client and trying to make it look pretty. These tools just make it a lot easier. So hopefully that helped you. If so, be sure to like and subscribe because it really helps us out. And then go ahead and check out those links below to get started. Thanks for watching.